This material is actually a cardstock that you can find in a gift wrap roll. I am just cutting it to the size that I want. Since it's for a mini Christmas tree, the size of this cone is about 7 inches long and the diameter is about 3.5 inches. Then start placing the pistachio shells on the cone using a hot glue, starting from the bottom. Remember to clean the shells first before using them. I'm using the bigger shells at the bottom and smaller as it reaches to the tip of the cone. Here's a tip. To remove the string of hot glue, simply blast it using a blow dryer in hot or high temperature setting. You can leave the color as is. I think this would be perfect for a boho or rustic theme decor. Or you can paint it with your desired color. I like the white wash effect. To do this, simply mix about 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of white paint. Then apply it to the creases of the shells and let it dry completely. Hope you love this DIY project. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!